Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Just 20 kilometers west of downtown Ottawa, Ontario, Kanata offers a blend of innovation and beautiful outdoor spaces. With more than 100,000 residents, it's one of Ottawa's largest suburban communities, filled with history, vibrant neighborhoods, and a growing tech sector. Kanata wasn't always the bustling place we know today. In fact, it began as farmland and rural settlements, before modern developments took shape in the 1960s. Kanata became a city in 1978, but merged with Ottawa in 2001. The word Kanata comes from the Huron-Iroquois language, meaning village, the same word that inspired Canada's name. Often called Silicon Valley North, Kanata is home to the Kanata North Technology Park, the largest tech park in Canada. It houses major companies like Nokia, Ericsson, and BlackBerry, along with startups working on cutting-edge projects. The park offers thousands of jobs, making it a hub for innovation and opportunity in software, telecommunications, and AI industries. For outdoor lovers, Walter Baker Park is perfect for picnics and sports, while the South March Highlands Conservation Forest offers some of the best hiking and biking trails in the area. The nearby Beaver Pond and Stony Swamp conservation areas are ideal spots for birdwatching and exploring nature. Kanata is home to the Canadian Tire Centre, where the Ottawa Senators play. It's the place to be on game night, and also hosts concerts and events throughout the year, attracting big names and excited crowds. Whether you're into tech, the outdoors, education, or sports, Kanata has something for everyone.